Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the online teaching at home. And I hope you all are helping your parents, obeying your parents, and doing work at home properly. Children, I told you about one toy train which was purchased by Rahul's grandfather. Children, that toy train was a special train. It was very beautiful. I told you through one story. So today it is the time when we will read that story from the book. Children, that same story is given in your book. Lesson number 2. Look at the screen. Lesson number 2 of your reader book, Chuk Chuk. What is the name of the chapter? Chuk Chuk. Chuk Chuk is a sound which is made by a train when it moves on the track. So, one by one. See, line wise we will read this chapter. Okay? See. Chuk Chuk was a red toy train. It had a P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L, powerful. See the big words I will break. I will speak them letter wise. Powerful, H-E-A-D, head, L-I-G-H-T, light, headlight. It had a powerful headlight. A bell, B-E-L-L, bell. 3 C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E-S, carriages. And many, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, wheels. Carriages means, look here in this picture. These different bogies are called carriages. So these are carriages and these are wheels of the train. Now it has, see, look here, it has light also. Okay, now come on. Whenever Chuk Chuk moved, the headlight shone brightly. Children, when it starts moving, the headlight shone brightly. The headlight shone the brightness. Okay. So, and the bell rang loudly. So, the horn or the bell also rang loudly when it moves. Okay. Now, what is in this paragraph? Chuk Chuk was a red toy train. It had a powerful headlight, a bell, 3 carriages, and many strong wheels. Whenever Chuk Chuk moved, the headlight shone brightly and bell also rang. So I hope it is clear. It is about the powerful headlight of the train, bell and 3 carriages and many strong wheels of the train. Everything is told you in this paragraph. Okay, what all things were there with the train. Now come on. All the children passing by saw it in the shop window. So it was very beautiful train. Every child, when they passed through the shop, passed by the shop, they saw it from the shop window. They would stop to look at it and scream. Scream means to shout in joy. Shout in joy. When you feel so happy, you make sound that is screaming sound. Similarly, the children, they also make screaming sound. What a beautiful train. They speak like this. What a beautiful train. Look how quickly it moves on the railway track. Railway track. See, this is railway track. This is railway track on which the train moves. So this chuk chuk train also moves on this track. Now come on. When Chuk Chuk heard these words of praise, it became very proud. Means when the children praise for the train, the Chuk Chuk feels that I am very beautiful and everybody is praising for me. It means I am the best. I am the best. So it became very proud. Now come on next. One day, now listen carefully. One day, a rich man bought means to buy anything. See, the red toy train for his grandson. Now one day a rich man is Rohit's grandfather, and here grandson is Rahul. What is the grandson name? Rahul. So here rich man is grandfather and grandson is Rahul. So when Rahul opened his grandfather's present, he shouted with joy. See, when somebody gives you gifts, what do? You open that gift, and if the gift is of your choice, you like it, what do? You shout with joy. You shout, wow, wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. You do like this, na? So similarly, Rahul also did like this. Then he put Chuk Chuk in the big basket where he kept his other toys. Now he felt very happy and he put the Chuk Chuk train in big basket where other toys are kept. You can see this is Rahul's toy room, and he kept it in one side, and these are other toys. See, in those toys, one toy was Jumbo. Who was there? Jumbo. Jumbo, the elephant, smiled and said, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk." Chuk Chuk did not reply. Jumbo, who was Jumbo? Elephant. You can see he is Jumbo. And Jumbo smiled and he said, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk," because Chuk Chuk was new member in the toy room. So he said, "You welcome." But what happened? Chuk Chuk did not reply. Chuk Chuk did not say anything. Chuk Chuk did not smile even. So next, who went? Mittu went. Mittu the parrot. Who is Mittu here? He is Mittu. Mittu the parrot squawked. Squawked means he made sound. Squawking is the sound of parrot. "Will you give us a ride? Will you give us a ride?" Parrot, the Mittu parrot said to toy train Chuk Chuk, "Will you give us a ride?" Chuk Chuk did not answer. Then also Chuk Chuk did not answer. If you are asking something from somebody and he or she is not giving you answer, how will you feel? You will feel so bad. Yes or no? You will feel so bad. Similarly, Mittu and elephant both are feeling very bad. Now come on. Who is the next one? When Teddy, the leader of the toys. See, in Rahul's toy room, Teddy was the leader of the toys. Everybody listen to Teddy and they obey Teddy. So this is the turn of Teddy. The leader of the toy tried to talk to Chuk Chuk. Tried to talk to Chuk Chuk. Now what happened? See, it is written on next page, but you tell what would be happened. Did Chuk Chuk reply or not? Let's see on next page. Oh my God, Chuk Chuk did not reply to Teddy also. When the toys chatted and played during the night, Chuk Chuk sat in the corner. See, when all toys were sitting together and talking to each other, at that time Chuk Chuk was watching them, but it was sat in a corner because it was alone. It is not ready to talk to somebody. Everybody wants to make friend, but Chuk Chuk was not ready at that time. See, it did not try to make friends. Why Chuk Chuk was alone? Because it did not try to make friends with other toys in the basket. See now, what happened? Children, as you talk to with your friends in ears, na? Similarly, the toys were also talking with friends in ears. So what happened? Chuk Chuk is very proud. See, toys were saying that we want to talk to Chuk Chuk, but Chuk Chuk doesn't want to talk to us. He is very proud. He thinks it is better than us. It is better than us. So who was talking like this? The toys were talking like this. Children, now we will see what happened next. But I will not tell you today. You have to wait for the next part of the story. So you will think about the remaining part of the story. Then I will tell you in the next video what will happen next. Okay. So till then you are to speak this story without the book. Okay. And you are to tell this much story to your mama and papa. I hope you have enjoyed this story and you will be waiting for the remaining part of the story. So, I will come with the new video with the remaining part of the story. Till then, bye-bye.